is Hans, and this is
Miles.
And this is
Mimi.
It's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from
Malaysia.
That's right. This is from Malaysia. This is from Red Chef. They've got something new coming out, so let's crack it open and have a look inside. Oh, wow. First thing I see here is a shirt. I'm going to give it a try. Yeah, it fits. Cool. Penang street art shirt. Very cool. Thank you. Well, let's delve in and see everything they sent. So this variety has been number 2 on the top 10 instant noodles of all time annual list. This is their Sakura Prawn. And now what's cool about this one is it's got a regular wheat noodle and it's got rice vermicelli. So you get those two things and it's like super prawny. So yeah, good stuff. And another top 10 winner, as you can see right there. This is their green tom yum. Nice thick noodle, nice chew. Really interesting broth. It's really unique. I really like this stuff. Worth a try. Another tasty one. This is their Pandan white curry. You might have heard of white curry before. This one uses something called Pandan, which is kind of like a green leaf, I believe. I've gone to plenty of places that have had boba and bubble tea, and they've had Pandan waffles. So it's kind of got like this nuttiness to it, and you'll find that in this. So the first one I showed you was the really extra fancy Sakura Prawn. This one is also amazing. This one is just with the regular instant noodle. Sakura Prawn soup noodle. This one is top 10 as well. I mean, if they didn't make the one that had the 2 types of noodle, this would be in that number 2 spot. So check it out. And then here's something brand new. I've never heard of this style of dish before, but it's brand new. This is, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Hai Bi Hyam dried noodle. I like the packaging. It really reminds me of the Taiwanese style of packaging. But yeah, I'm gonna have to ask them about this stuff because I really don't know. Oh, authentic taste of Singapore. Huh. Yeah, I'm definitely curious about this one. So, yeah, thank you. Well, cool. Thank you very much to Red Chef for shooting these over. All these ones in these lower packs like this, you can find these at stores around here in the US, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.